So I've got my master closet finished. This is my husband's side. He is 6'5", so I had everything raised a couple inches. Traditionally, if you have double hang, it's like 42 and 42. Well, being 6'5", his clothes aren't traditional, so we're not traditional. Popped it up. So now his clothes aren't dragging. We can still use the shelf in between. We can still use the floor space. I have his belts ready to go, easy to grab. I've got the ballet rod in case he wants to put his clothes out the night before. If I'm steaming something, hanging, just extra hanging space for the next day or whatever you use it for. All of his ties. And then I also have dividers that I purchased and made my own because it's not just a one size. It actually has slits that you can make and divide your drawer space however you want. So if you take a peek, I've got all of his socks. It helps them from falling over, keeps them separate. Love it. And then I made a separate design for, I'm still getting used to this, by the way, for mine. So I've got a large space here, and then I divided the other half to make easy, clean lines. The epitome of organization, and it's amazing. So I've got gray totes up top for things that we don't use very often, and of course labeled. But we've got everything in its spot. We've got the hanging segmented, which is what I wanted. Thank you, design team, by the way. John Lewis design team, you guys are amazing. I got an extra shoe rack down here for my husband. And because he's tall and we raised everything, it fits like a glove underneath and it is perfect. But on my side, I like them to be this way. And I bought the clear liners like I showed you earlier for the stiletto heels so they don't fall through. And the slats, by the way, I didn't bother using for my clothes because somehow or another, it's not like the wire shelving, but it doesn't leave any marks for my clothes, so I didn't worry about putting the plastic liners for anything like that. I just needed it for the stiletto heels so they didn't fall through. But everything has its spot. And I could not be happier.